If you've ever seen this message, this photo is missing, and wondered what happened to your photos, it's probably because you either renamed them or moved the original folder or file, or you've deleted them altogether. So to try to find the original photo, you can just hover over it and it'll give you the name of the file. So in this case, 7293. So we can click onto the magnifying glass and then just click these three dots and then just type up here in the search whatever the name of that file was, 7293, and that's it there, and I'm not even sure what that is. Okay, so there's the image, so just double click it and say OK, and there's the image there. So you can go back if you want and redo the rest of them. But that's how you retrieve those images that you can't find. If you completely deleted it, then there's nothing you can do. So to avoid this myself, what I do when I import the photos, let me just go through the process here. Let me pick a photo here. I'll do this one. So when you're importing, oh, and if this ever happens to you where your photo doesn't show up, just click this little check mark. I don't know if it does it to everybody or just me. And then click your import, and it'll default to basics. So I go to advanced and I specify where I'm going to make the extra copy, because this is where the program is looking for the original file. So you want to make sure you pick a spot that you're not going to easily delete, or you don't want to be moving folders around, which is what I do a lot of the time. So I'm trying to get into the practice where I'm just putting them in one spot and not moving them or renaming them. So just click here and then just go and specify where you want to always put your imports. It just makes life easier that way. And then once you have that set up, you shouldn't need to change it again. And then click your import.